Sleeping but still earning money, that's something both you and I and anyone else would love. Besides working and earning money, you also need time and freedom. And these are the ways I generate passive income of $30,000 to $40,000 per month from side hustles, not even counting my main job. And what's the truth behind building passive income? I've watched tons of videos across social media but haven't seen anyone reveal this. Stick around till the end of the video to see how I actually do it. I was just like you, working 8 to 10 hours a day, yet still broke by the end of the month. I tried every way to make money online. The result? Total scams, course ads, get-rich-quick schemes, or book sales. But then something changed the game. And this very thing helped me start earning real money from the internet. No capital needed, just a phone or laptop. You can work from home or from anywhere as long as there's internet. No scams, no selling courses or books. In this video, I'll share what I did and what I know. And surprisingly, those who earn millions from online businesses are doing exactly what I do. Here are 9 practical ways for beginners. Watch and let me know in the comments which method you find easiest or would like to try. I divide ways to make money online into 2 groups. Active income online, you earn money by working each day like a 9-to-5 job, but online means you can work from anywhere. Passive income online, do it once and keep earning for 10, 20 years or forever. Let me break down these 9 ways, and at the end of the video, I'll tell you which one I use. Method 1. Start a YouTube channel. There are 2 formats, showing your face or faceless YouTube channels. Both can earn well, even more than expected. Category: passive income long-term. You don't have to vlog, you can create videos like daily life sharing, your work, inspiring or funny stories you've experienced, motivational storytelling or even ghost stories if you like. Share knowledge or experience in any field. Personal finance, health, hacks, sports, entertainment, communication skills. Cooking basics, share your daily recipes. Real example, these YouTube channels share simple things every day, but generate massive income because YouTube pays per view. Success tips. Make 5 to 10 minute videos or short 60 to 90 second clips. Optimize keywords and clear thumbnails. Post regularly, 1 long video per week, 3 to 4 shorts per week. Hidden truth. Their income can be many times what you think, not just $10,000 to $20,000 per video. You'll see the full picture by the end. Don't forget to subscribe to support me. Method 2. Freelance on Upwork or Fiverr. Are you good at writing, translating, basic design, video editing, or data entry? Create an account on Upwork.com or Fiverr.com. List your skills and start applying. Or join Facebook freelancer groups. Many people are hiring. Real story. Maria, a single mom in Texas I know, started data entry on Upwork 1 to 2 hours each night. She earns $2,500 to $4,000 per month with just an old laptop. Write a clear, professional profile, send personalized pitches, do your best on the first 3 gigs, get reviews, and clients will come to you. Method 3. Amazon. 2 popular ways to earn. Amazon Mechanical Turk or MTurk is a platform for tasks AI can't handle. Amazon Mechanical Turk or MTurk is a platform for tasks AI can't handle. Examples include transcribing audio, translation, website testing, and writing reviews. You can earn $15 to $45 per hour from these. Amazon Kindle, direct publishing or KDP, allows you to turn your ideas into eBooks and publish them on Amazon Kindle. Each sale earns both you and Amazon revenue. You can use AI tools to help with 80% of the process. There's no need to be a famous author or find a publisher. You can work from home and earn passive income from book sales. It's free to join, and Amazon handles payment and delivery. Method 4. Sell designs with print on demand. Got creativity or cute ideas? Design t-shirts, mugs, tote bags on platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, or Merch by Amazon. They handle printing and shipping, you get paid. Real story. Anna, my sister, works part-time at a nail salon. She loves pets and cartoons. She creates cute designs and prints them on shirts. Monthly income, $7,000 to $9,000 depending on sales. The best part? The designs sell forever. The more designs, the higher your passive income. Ever bought something through an affiliate link? TikTok once allowed product links. That's affiliate marketing too. You promote others' products or services and earn commissions from purchases through your links. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, eBay, or CJ.com. You can share affiliate links on blogs, social media, or even YouTube. It's all about reaching your audience where they are most engaged. Your earnings will be based on the purchases made through your links and, of course, the commission rates set by the affiliate programs. It's a straightforward way to generate income. And hey, stick around until the end of this video. I'll show you how I made my first $600,000 at the age of 23, all through affiliate marketing. You won't want to miss it. No need to own a product. No shipping or customer support required. Be creative, tailor affiliate marketing to your passion. Quick question. Where do you usually shop online? Method 6, sell digital products. Includes eBooks, templates, music, photos, software, and more. You create once, then sell unlimited times on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Earnings. You set the price based on value. Pros: low production cost, no storage needed, easy global delivery. Method 7, create a membership site. This has the biggest impact on my entire online business system. Work 1 year, earn for life. Build an online community where members pay for exclusive content, or build a free community and charge businesses to post ads, creating unlimited passive income. Use platforms like Patreon, Substack, Facebook, YouTube, or your own membership website. Earnings are based on member count and monthly or lifetime fees. Pros include a steady income and stronger community relationships. So here's a simple example. I created a Facebook mom and baby group. I posted helpful content and cute images to attract members. I also encouraged others to post too. As the group grew, businesses asked to post ads and paid me $100 to $500, even $2,000 per post depending on engagement. One friend even got a $10,000 payment for one post. The best part? I can sell directly in the group or use affiliate marketing. As the group grows, the income grows. Once established, members create content for you. You only approve or reject posts. Last month I received 34 paid post requests. I approved 29. What if each request paid $500? If you're into photography or filming, sell your content on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Upload your work. When someone buys or downloads it, you earn royalties. Earnings based on download volume and license price. Pros: earn passive income from finished work. Fun fact, I pay $1,500 per month for stock photos and videos for my projects. So please like, share, and subscribe to support me. Method 9, dividend investing. This suits those already earning and want to grow wealth. Invest in companies that pay dividends, get regular income from their profits. Buy shares of stable companies with a consistent dividend history. Super how it works. Dividends paid quarterly or yearly. Super income. Steady dividend income, potential growth in value over time. Super pros on screen text. This is the secret that I and other dollar millionaires use to get rich through online business systems that generate passive income online. And the next one is you. My real story, how I earned $30,000 to $40,000 a month in passive income. I'm in the health niche. I create health-related value videos. I post them on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and more. Surprise, every platform pays me for views. Example, 1 million views on YouTube equals $5,000 to $30,000 depending on the content. On average, that's around $10,000. Facebook, TikTok, and others pay too. One video equals 5 sources of income. Besides videos, I built wellness communities to share positive, healthy habits. I have 4 such groups. Brands pay to advertise in them. I also sell a natural health product my family makes. That income exceeds video ad revenue. And I do affiliate marketing for health products. I get 5 to 10% commission per product. I get paid extra for brand mentions because of my large community. What's more special is, every time I post videos in the groups I created, the members contribute to my monetization with their views. After watching, they buy products. The more views, the more businesses pay me to advertise. And that's how I built a system that generates passive income from one-time effort. Best part, for 3 years I haven't touched the system. I built faceless YouTube channels and now I hire people to run them. And I'm like you, I'm not a genius, just a regular person, someone who once drowned in debt, stressed by bills. But I started, not perfect, no fancy camera, not a great speaker, just started. One phone, one idea, one share, one small action daily. Start today your first video, post, or product. The first month, maybe nothing. But by month 2, 3, 6, or 12, you'll know how it feels when money flows in while you sleep. And it will be much more than you ever imagined. You don't have to change your whole life overnight, just change one small habit a day. One day, you'll be back here, like me, to share your journey, from zero to financial freedom. Because a better life belongs to those who take action. Where are you in your journey? Have you tried any of these? Got questions? Leave a comment below. I read and reply to everyone. If this video helped you, hit like so YouTube spreads it to others who need it. Thanks for watching till the end. I believe you're not ordinary. You're someone daring to change, to act daily. See you in the comments and in the next video about personal finance growth.